and efforts to preserve their country's integrity.
This is the country's interior ministry building. It was destroyed by NATO bombings during the war in the late 1990s. This is not the only sad aftermath of the war. A new generation of Serbs has grown up with a strong desire to fight against their lives.
Many radical movements have emerged as a result. One of them, the national formation, has been banned. Authorities in the town of Novi Sad, where the movement is based, won't allow them to conduct any public rallies.
Bin Laden and Islam terrorist. I am not Bin Laden, neither am I a terrorist. I can't order terrorist acts, but if the acts happen, I would support them. Because when your land is occupied, all measures should be taken to get it back.
Many Serbs feel offended. After 2 failed decades of both armed and diplomatic struggle over the territories, the leader of the national formation explains that some are once again ready to take extreme measures.
Everyone has weapons in Serbia. When the time comes, we will act.
However, the overwhelming majority of Serbs hope that the time will never come and that the conflict will be settled peacefully. Davidović, Russia Today, from Novi Sad and Belgrade, Serbia.